Alright, here's the question. Round 23,503 to the nearest thousand. Round 23,503 to the nearest thousand. Okay, let's put that on. Let's put it on the screen. It says here question number 1. Let's write it down. Bigger. Alright. Round 23,503 to the nearest thousand. Okay, let's answer it. Of course, you have this ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that leaves us with 24,000. That's it. And you, of course, you box your answer. It's 24,000. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, let's try to explain that. We have your given that is 23,503. Okay, you must know the place values. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, we're after the thousand. Let's try to write it down. You have the ones, the tens, hundreds, and then you have the thousands. Okay, so at this point we are supposed to round it off to the nearest thousands, which makes this point to be the value or the digit to be rounded off, and your criteria would be this one. Okay, this is the criteria. Let's try to write it. Criteria, that's the point or the criteria digit. Okay, if the criteria or the digit that is our criteria for increasing or maintaining the digit to be rounded off, okay, is 5 or greater than, you add 1. Otherwise, just keep it that way. But because this is 5, which is 5 or greater than, you add 1 to the digit 3, which gives you 24, and then you put 1000. The other digits become 0. So that's it. You get 24,000. That's basically how we explain it. Okay. So this kind of exercise requires you to have a background on place values. Okay, place values, because if you don't know your place values, you end up missing the correct answer or getting the incorrect answer. Alright, so let's review your place values. Okay, let's put on a larger number. Okay, I think that's long enough. What more? Okay, one more round. Alright, that would be a very long, but I know, maybe it's worth it. So you know the numbers are grouped into 3 digits, right? Okay, so this one is the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. All right. Okay, the next set of tri-digit would be the thousands. Okay, these are the thousands. That would be the thousands. Okay. The thousands, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. These are the thousands. Okay, you have the thousands, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. Next set would be the millions. Let's put a mark there. Okay, these are the units. So for the millions, you have the millions, you have the 10 millions, and you have the 100 millions. Okay. Millions, the 10 millions, and 100 millions. Okay. Next up, we have the billions. That would be billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions. Next part, we have the trillions, the quadrillions, quad, and the quintillion, quint, and sextillions, and septillions. So let's just write it down. So you start with the units. You have the thousands, you have the millions, the billions, you have the trillions, you have the quadrillions, you have the quintillions, sextillions, septillions, octillions. Let's add more. Nonillions, decillions. Let me just try to quick check on it. Yes, that's correct. And alright, that's correct. So that's it. And it goes on. Alright. And that's it. Once again, if the criteria goes 5 and up, you add 1 to the critical value or to critical digit. Okay? If it is otherwise, if it's 4 below, just keep it. That would be 23,000. But since it is 5, since the criteria is 5, that would be 24. That's 23 plus 1. That's 24,000. I hope you got it. That's it.